We start the dog drawing by sketching round circles. This step will form the head of the dog. Draw 2 small round circles at the top of the drawing for the eyes, and add a cute nose and a smile. Sketch drooping ears on the right and left sides. At the bottom of the drawing, draw 2 half circles to create the paws. Finally, add details and the tail to complete the dog drawing.